right. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. So we're gonna double back, clean this up. We only got a few. Well, we got a couple to go through together. I'm gonna walk through a few of these. That way we can ask whatever questions. Remember the 4 steps. The 4 steps that we are going to apply. Take one, pass it around. You're going to first make sure that every equation is in standard form. We got to make sure that the coefficients of one variable is going to be opposite. Then we'll add the equation just to eliminate one variable, and then the variable that's left, you will use that one to plug in and solve and find the additional variable. Now, this one here, you can use this as notes. If you look, don't got to worry about number 1 and 2, because if you look, we already did 1 and 2 together. I'm going to use this one here as a guide. Okay.
I gotta do it. Give me it. I'm trying to.
We already did number 1 and 2. We did. Número 1 y 2. We on número 3. Yeah. Yeah. All right. Now let's do this one here. Go.
Of course. It's only from
Yeah, I thought you would.
It's too loud.
Okay. Now, let's go through. Remember the 4 steps that we talked about. All right. Looking at number 3, we can do these together. Do them with me, so you can get a firm grasp on how to complete these 2 assignments, or complete this assignment, so then when you are working individually, there should be no problem. Remember, we are trying to find whichever equation after the first step, we said it needed to be in standard form. Are both of them in standard form? Are both of these in standard form? Huh?
Yeah.
Yes, they're both in standard form. AX plus BY equals C. Now we need to try to find what number is going to be the opposite. Which coefficient is the opposite of each other? The 7. So we can attack these A's first and get rid of those first. So go ahead and attack the A's first. You already know 7 plus 7 is they're going to do what? What's going to happen to these? We cancel these out. So now we can go over here and solve for B. Once we get B, we can plug it back in and then get A. So what's 3 plus negative 6?
Negative 3.
Yep, you got a negative 3B. And then 15 plus negative 3?
12.
Huh? 15 plus negative 3? 12. Key to enough. Then I do what on both sides? Yeah, so you're going to solve for B. So you got your B value. Your B value is what? Huh? Negative 4. So there's your one value that you can put in there. It would be negative 4. Now we got to try to take this B. And which one are we going to plug it back into? The top equation or the bottom?
Top.
You want to plug it into the top. So take that, plug it into the top. And yes, you have to show your work. This becomes negative 7A plus 3 times what's the new B? What's the new B that I put there?
4.
Huh?
Negative 4.
Negative 4. So now this becomes negative 7A. 3 times negative 4.
Negative 12.
Negative 12 equals 15. Then do what? Where y'all at? Because y'all do a lot of talking, but then when it's time to get business-wise, we get quiet. So y'all can start chiming in too. Hello? Y'all can start answering. I need to hear from y'all other than just side talk. What do I got here? Becomes negative 7a plus minus 12, then what?
Add 12.
Huh?
Add 12.
Okay. That's going to make what? The 12's what?
Cancel out.
Leave me with what?
12 plus
Negative 7a.
Negative 7a equals,
27.
huh?
27.
Come on. Divide both sides by,
Negative 7.
and my a is what? 27
Over negative.
over negative 7. Negative 27 over 7. All good? Better learn. This is now the time to ask questions, because when you're on your own, you have to show all your work for you to get full credit. You gotta show your work to prove to me that you ain't copied.
talking about Julio.
What do you mean? I'm literally, you just finished it and I'm seeing
You
so I
just
can
trying
write
to
it
copy my
down.
paper.
So I can write it down right now. And I'm literally the one
Number
that-
4, for all the chit chat start.
You can't throw out the U.
Good. I'm a slide. You can catch the back on the replay because we got a lot to try to cover. Y'all have to work with me. You got to move a little faster. You can catch it on the replay. I'm going to post it when we done. Got to start staying along with it. Stuff, cut all the kiki in back there. All right, so Tom, you said I can do what with these two? Which one can we eliminate?
The U.
Yeah, we can eliminate the U. Why can I eliminate the U?
Negative or positive.
Because you got opposite. One is negative, one is positive. So go ahead. You already know that these cancel. What do I have now? V plus V make. See what I'm saying? Look, I'm playing. V plus V is what? 2 what? 2V. And then 11 and 9? 20. Divide both sides by what? 2. V es 10. Now that you have the V, which is the second one, which are we going to plug it back into, the top or the bottom?
The top.
Top equation. Take that, plug it into the top equation. You got U plus the new V is 10 equals 11. What do you do on both sides with that 10?
You multiply.
No. What do I do on both sides with this 10? Angelia? Bias? Subtract what? Come on. Then my U is what? U is what? 1. If y'all lock in, cut all the side talk, we can get through this a lot faster. Lock in. Now we're going to have to do some remixing for the next two. We got to do a little bit of remixing. Remember, they got to be in standard form.
Mr. Witcher, how come you put the 10 in the Y instead of the X this time?
Is that for the B?
Because V is 10.
Which you would find out if you're paying attention.
I know, but like, why is it in a Y instead of
Hmm?
If you're attention.
Look, what came first? The U came first, then the V.
Okay. Thank you.
Ain't that how it go, Tom?
Yep.
Q, R, S,
T.
T,
U.
U, V.
I.
Last time I checked, yeah.
Shut up.
All right, can I slide?
Stop trying to copy.
Let me see it.
I think that's cool. You're supposed to be a model student.
Oh, bet.
Oh, never mind. Ethan's still already.
Give Ethan those so we can get going. All right, last four. Come on, last four, and then you guys can have your homework. There's going to be there'll be a con that you have in this, and then there's going to be a sheet similar to this that you got. That's all we got. So we're going to have 2 exercises on it. All right, what we got? Cersei, you want to try this one? Which one I got to look like? I got a 5R plus 8S equals 3, and a 4R plus 8S equals -4. I need the same number, but it being opposite. What do I have to do? Who remembers this? Pay close attention, Nikita.
Times -1.
Yeah, which one did you? Hold on, let's search and take this one. What you want to do? Remember, I have to make one of these 8's got to be negative. So what should I have to do? I got to multiply a -1 to which one you want to multiply it to, the top or the bottom? Let's apply it to the top. So that means you have to take this entire equation and distribute a -1 to it. You got to take that when you have to make one of the equations change, you got to take the entire equation and distribute the number there. So we're taking this -1 and we're going to be distributing it 3 times. So we can add, I'm just going to add the result underneath here. What's 1 times 5R? -5R. What's -1 times 8S? -8S. -1 and 3? -3. Now, as you see, I can get these two. They're opposite. So I can go ahead and do what to those? They cancel. 4 plus -5R. 4 más -5R. R. -1R. Equals, what's -4 más -3? -7. What do I divide on both sides? -1, and my R is what?
R equals 7.
So my R is 7. That's my first coordinate. What I'm going to take this 7 and plug it back into where? Top or bottom? Huh?
Top.
You can plug it back into the top if you want. So then this becomes 5 times 7 plus 8S equals 3. 5 and 7 make what? 35. Más 8. How you say S in español? S. Okay, so 35 más 8S equal 3. Then what? Menos qué? Menos 35. 35 cancel. What do I left with? 8S equals 3 menos 35 es
32.
-32, ¿sí? Divide by 8. SAS. SAS. -4. Sí. So your answer, 7 y -4. Those are a little challenging when you got to multiply. Remember, you're going to have to take one of the equations and distribute. We're going to have to do that.
Is that a negative or is it a 4?
That's a -4. -32 divided by 8, -4. Can I?
No.
Last 3. Then y'all got one on your own. You know, I'm going to switch it up on y'all. I ain't going to give y'all another paper. I'm going to give it to y'all on the con. Yeah. I'm going to give y'all to it on the computer. So it'll be 4 questions. When y'all get back on Wednesday, you know what is going to happen. You know what we're going to do first on Wednesday, right? Y'all know what we're doing on Wednesday, right? First thing, you're going to get 4 questions on this. So make sure you get that con out the way. Or practice it now while we're doing it. All right, come on, 6. Who want to take it? Can I erase?
Almost.
Hey, Keita, y'all need to write with us while we're doing this. Can I slide?
Yeah.
As we doing this, jot it with us. All right. Michaela, you want to take this?
No, thank you.
Why? Which number can I get rid of, Kayla? What number es mismo? ¿Qué es mismo? ¿Qué número es mismo?
9.
9. But, pero es 9, I mean negativo y negativo. One got to be negative and the other one got to be.
Positive.
So, one of them we going to have to, let's take this one. And we going to have to, how can I turn it positive? I got to multiply by what?
By
What would I multiply that negative 9 by to make it a positive 9?
9.
Mm-mm.
No, negative 1.
Negativo uno. Say gracias.
Gracias.
So, negative uno, and you're going to distribute it, Keita, to everything on the inside.
Okay.
So now up top, you got negative 9c minus 2d equals 8. And on the bottom, we got what? Negativo uno multiplicado negativo 9. S. Don't tell her, Sebastian, don't let her figure it out. Negativo uno multiplicado negativo 9.
Positive 9.
Positive 9, say. Negativo uno multiplicado negativo de. Okay, so negativo uno es negativo de. Es
Positive de.
positivo de.
Okay, positivo de.
Good. Negativo uno multiplicado positivo 6 es. Don't tell her, let her figure it out. Negative times positive.
Negativo.
Negativo 6. Bueno.
Okay.
Now what happens? My negative 9 and positive 9?
Nada. That's
Nada.
Okay.
Now, negative 2 más 1 de.
Menos 1 de.
Menos 1 de. Bueno.
Okay.
8 más negativo 6.
Positivo 2.
Positive 2. Divide both sides by.
Por. Something what?
Divide both sides by what? What do I want to get rid of? I want this in the end.
Okay. 1.
What kind? What kind of 1?
Negative.
Negativo 1. Muy bueno. Negativo. Cancel. De es 2 divided by negativo 1 es.
1. Perdón. 2. Menos 2.
Menos 2. Muy bueno. Nice. You see that, Puentes? Very nice. Pablo, you see that? You can do that? Yeah. Very nice. Jot that down. You slide it.
Entendí.
No, wait, I'm almost done.
Hurry up.
¿Entendiste?
Sí. Es fácil, ¿eh? No sé si.
Are we good? You can slide.
I want to turn the other part on.
Tommy,
Ready? Can I slide?
yeah, it's like this. Now you can slide.
Ready?
Yeah.
Last 2. Who won?
I got it.
Uy, ¿por qué?
Both.
Time to the bottom by negative 1.
Okay. Let's go, Tom. bottom by -1. Distribute.
Then you got, you get positive 2 and
What do I get? First one I have to multiply the negative, it become,
positive.
huh?
Yeah, positive.
Now?
No te quería.
Positive.
Huh?
Oh, that's a negative then.
Negativo M.
That's positive. The other one. The end.
Negative M.
Negative Negative what? Wait.
Somebody help him out.
And then +6n
Positive 6n.
equals -12.
Nice. Add them up. What side in here?
So the m's
That's a negative 2 no, positive 2
Positive 2n equals. Divide by.
2.5.
Nice. N is what? 1/2. Okay. So we know one of them is 1/2. Take that 1/2 and do what? You want to plug it into the top or the bottom? Take it to the top. Watch this. Make it simple. If you're taking half of 4, what's half? Come on. So this would be m minus 4 times 1/2 equals 13. You already know, you just told me half of 4 is what?
2.
So this becomes m minus 2 equals 13. Then do what? Becomes what? 15. Almost out of here, y'all. Y'all gonna need laptops in a minute. Oh, wait a minute. We out of here at 12:45? That's it. The homework is in the Khan Academy. Systems of elimination. I think it's only 4 questions. Don't wait till the last minute. One con. 4 questions. Y'all out of here. That's the end of class. Last minute. Use those notes, Dale.